All right, so this is another Leetcode easy, same tree, and so I'm using Kotlin on this one. So basically, they want you to see if two binary trees are the same, and they have the same value, and if they're structured the same as well. So use a queue and check both of the trees at the same time. That's one way to do it. So I'll do that. So I add the tree node. And then I'll add both of the trees to the queue. Then I'll check if the queue is empty or the queue is not empty. I think they have an is not empty. I don't remember as a syntax on Kotlin, but so I'll get 2 nodes at a time. First, I'll check if both of them are null, which is basically means it's right after both of them had leaf nodes. We'll just continue. And then so if either one is null, that means it's not structurally identical, so we'll return false. Oops. And then we'll also check if both the values are the same. So, or if it's not the same. So if they're not the same, then we'll have to, and then we'll just return false. And then we'll also add both of the nodes as well. So so we'll do one dot left. And then if all that is good, that means the tree is the same, so we'll just return true. So it says 96% faster than the other Kotlin submissions.